afternoon, country people them. Last time for we foresee for this side, inside this week, a big number them for Tori for this afternoon. We go talk palava some 12-year-old Gondere with some thief people they cash it for roads. Chop isoya, as well the talk just now, dan Gondere de Utibelem. Mami sesep, he no get work for do. Sawe mami di do work. They pay na only 15,000 where they make chop self and even money for Luko dan Gondere just now. You know them. We go talk that palava this afternoon. Na so too go take unam. We go for that side, so for back big market for Bamenda for talk as we fire too. Iwaka enter for some people them. They are small business places where they don't keep their cargo them for inside. Waiting be really pass. We go talk that story too. Then we take una to enter for that side, so for Mbuda. We enter for place where they call them say Zavion na village that where it is so some boy them with shaker shoot. They enter for inside the village, burn the school, burn motor set for principal, then Chakara place for that side, so for government bilingual high school for Zavion. This story them we go complete and with the one newspaper where they for we before the Guardian Post newspaper will get them. Big part talk for this afternoon. Editor we say waiting. Say Filaria no been a friend with a leprosy man for sick as say he no get finger for the scratchy skin. I say Filaria he no fit ever be combi with person way he get sick for leprosy for sick as say finger he no go there for he for scratch his skin with them. Now Julius Bouquet, member for fan club ambassador for that side, so for network bar for Buyam. Now he send we big part talk for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Before we enter for Tori Sesep for this afternoon, country people them we want say will no fit for show now image for that a picking way they see as some girl where they around that kind of 20 years where they see where don't die. Now for that side, so for a photo golden. Now for inside Douala here for New Bell where they meet up that girl a die body. According to where BB commander Sesep for near for that side from Kululu, a talk for we they just also make investigate on top that palava. For Sika say the image you know they na one official and for now we no go fit for show am but sabi say near them Sesep they don't fall on top that case for see where iki that 20-year-old Gondere where they meet up a die body now for dirty place for that side, so for photo golden inside New Bell for Douala side here. Now so too we go take una just now we enter for this other Soriat story. We go take una we talk this apalaba for some picking where they call it say Germain. Now 12-year-old picking country people them where we go start for talk on top this image, so make we enter for inside the image for this picking. Now Germain na place that way Germain the cookie chop the chop but sabi say this Germain again na only 12 years as one they see that picking, so 12 years picking bet Bele he don already enter here. Na he say he be take him for go carry Bele. No be na Germain at all. Germain he be the go na evening school. As well he be the turn back for house on Sunday. Na so too some balok two boy them they catch Germain chop isoya sote last. Waiting he turn can be Germain he can carry Bele. But who said the two boy the way they chop isoya they no dey for no place. They carry Germain go for hospital check all thing they can't pay. Mami for Germain say wey the look of Germain, mami dey do na housework. He dey do na wetin house get job for some side where they pay na only 15,000. And that 15,000 e no go fit for look out Germain and e no go even fit for look out all them way they dey for inside house wey na them for person wey dey keep them for house except na some taxi man wey he except he own money e no dey two way if you look up people then. So just now Germain one na the see so he dey hear bad he dey suffer for sika some two ballot boy them wey dey so they catch him for night wey don go school they turn back they chop his soya so they levy na with the belle for that side. Na anyway some non-governmental organization people dem say wey dey be there for on top this Kumateke Palaba wey na this big doctor say e dey on top. Dem say they don see case for Germain. They don talk say okay they go get interest on top the Palaba for see as way they go look at Germain so te Germain e big. This one na just some better tori too wey we get for put for we own mami dem and papa the way they dey left pikin dem the tonton no matter as way pikin e dey show sign say e don be na big pikin papa and mommy dey get for so continue for the follow up pikin. Germain so e dey so e be dey go na evening classes before e dey turn back. Some balok people dem aro put am for sika say boy wey e head e dey correct, e no go comot for can chop soya for pikin wey e get 12 years. So Germain just now e dey suffer for sika boy the way dey so dey chop e soya so tey dey do wetin dey left Germain with e belle, and all the one dey happen for night as wey Germain e be dey turn back for school. So you say if you be na sorry hard person, you too you go turn you go see wetin wey fit do am for Germain. Pikin wey be get for the go school, but the pikin e dey for house just now for sika belle wey some boy dem dey don chop e soya so tey dey put am dey run go with am as wey pikin e be dey turn back for school. We go left that story for Germain country people dem 12-year pikin wey dey suffer just now. We enter for this other chapter for side for Minta. We dey turn back for here. No be na for sika we like am, but for sika say we wan open eye for people dem too wey dey dey up. For sabi say Minta e dey hear bad. Na the only water place this way dey fit carry am for inside Minta. All other places wey water dey for Minta, e no dey comot. So people dem say na for inside water for stream side. Na im wey just now they dey carry their water or they dey wash their clothes, they dey do thing dem. Minta e dey na for central region as well na sabi. Light 1.5 year the people dem for Minta they don shidon. Even one side eye they no dey. So people there they do barber salon, they only get for use na generator for say make they take their small money wey e go put them garri on top chair. Now some of the two things dem this way dey so people dem for Minta for central region they dey cry plenty. Water e no dey, light e no dey, but inside Minta big firewood dey timber all kind of thing dey all them people they can carry and take and comot for outside country. But for Minta except the money e no dey turn back after wey dey so they don finish do all the thing dem for outside. So people dem for Minta just now dem too dey talk for big people dem for up there say dem beg make dem member dem say they dey suffer. Water na life, light na tonton life too. If you no get light for house, well, but if water no dey, that one na big trouble. So they dey beg main government say a try for see wetin wey fit do for give them this palava, or people there they can carry timber them inside their land, make they send back the money for land so that they go take make the land e be land wey all man e go lie for be for day. E go be na big disgrace say big town like this one all better thing dey for day, but money e dey remain for outside. Water no dey, light e no dey. The pikin dem they say future tomorrow, how they go manage do future tomorrow wey all the kind of thing dem they no dey for them. How they go manage learn book. Bamenda we go enter for day just now. Back big market for Bamenda. Now Benin people they are small bugs and that where they don't put their thing there for inside. Chop be dey onion, garri, rice, maggi, some kind of small thing there. Fire, who side fire come out? Una ask ambassador. Fire comot na for inside the dustbin dem for Iza. Inside that dustbin the way company wey e dey throw dirty e dey can keep am say make put dey throw dirty for inside. Wana sabi say for Bamenda since for Monday, Benin man no ever show e hate. I say no one Benin man e never show e hate for that side. So for Bamenda, so dirty don flow for that container so tey the room. Na anyway population for that side they go burn fire enter now so e burn na different put their cargo dem. Beans rice garri even onion, all things. See garri, una see am sharp sand wey e dey waste, wey some people they no get chop for chop. Na the container that wey they dey put dirty for inside. If no be na for sika say senior warrant officer wey they dey call it say Taku Paul for army rescue and the lamboy dey land for that side, so e no for be easy. E dey like say the whole market e for burn. Since Monday, no business man never open his store for inside bad market for big market for Bamenda. All man na for inside house, even fly say no dey see am. So as wey dey see am, if no be na army rescue people dem, and if no be na say na security guard dey wey dey the local place dey call army rescue, this fire e for burn plenty market people dey attend them, plenty market there people dey attend them. They for burn for that side, so for inside Bamenda. Sabi say as we place e dry wey motor sep okada no dey tonton Our man, our Ngondere for that side, Mbu Stella be take na full foot. He carry his own 2 foot. He waka. So he reach for Baghdad big market for Bamenda. He put a microphone for senior warrant officer Taku Paul. Make it tell we wait away it really happen for that side.
Chief call for 3:30. Say fire day behind main market. So you know, from the army barracks to the main market is approximately 1 kilometer and 700 like that. So do everything possible. We use 2 minutes because the roads in there open for reach for place where the fire day. As we arrive there, we see and say the intensity for the fire will be too high. So the only thing we'll get to first do now for like reduced, same the fire not get the other stand them and the shops were there around. I never really determine what will be the origin of this fire because if you see the distance where they stand them there and the trash can is just almost 50 centimeters where it shows say how a fire be there inside that trash can as people to talk. It come out from that trash can and then follow this carton the way they be alongside. Go take that.
Yes, and just for Sabi say inside that fireway cash, now for Sika say dirty, it be overflow, moto they know the waka. So population say we be over smear the dirty, now then say they decide for burn that dirty for inside that container for say make it no so continue for smear. But now which kind of advice we Oga Senior Warrant Officer 11 for back, make we hear.
The advice where I get for the population, where I want to tell them and say, when situation there like this, me them call 118 as fast as possible. We'll do everything possible for come. Because more often, people they try for quench the fire. Now when you pass them, before they call we, and when one come, the fire don't really go large. So I tell the population, say, if fire there for any place, me then do everything possible for call army rescue 118. It go permit me to move arrive immediately so that we go stop the fire, me no burn other people the problem. I want thank the guards and when they around and the headquarter where they do fast for call we and they will not start do something before we come. So me they continue with that spirit. Sape Pompier no let me say that military people that will come. The first thing they do up, they still work for Sape Pompier. So we thank them for that spirit where they get for attack the fire. The guards for primary security and the headquarter will give them that thanks.
Yes, so now just the thing that we pass for Bamenda sites as we fire is surprise people. Then be lucky say guard them to they be there outside. If no be so, then that fire for enter for plenty other store them for that site and the army rescue to where they come quick. Now so we go enter for inside this chapter where the hot for country government bilingual high school Zavion for side from Buddha for West Region. Now one of the latest school than that where it is so gone people then with the shaker shoot they enter for inside the school. For far away, you go check say place is quiet, but when you start enter small, now that time when you go sabi say true, some people them they be don't pass for inside the school. As well you see I'm say plenty thing the day outside and zinc say it don't show for outside for that side. Now for inside both side office and even for principal too, a own office side where this boy they will shake a shoot. As well here they be there them 7, they enter for inside a government school. Now so to the chakara thing there for outside. To it in them for outside as well the car with gun. On top that one as well una go see and sell with una own crow eye. Now so to they put fire for some section for that government bilingual high school for Zavion where it dey for inside Buddha. Sabi say this a palava way happen, it be happen now for daytime where school picking themselves they be so day for school as well the school picking they be see the boy them they be there then 7. Now so to the run enter Sosongo principal Tori enter with ESA jump enter na for e common na for window for run as well the boy they enter as well we hear no man you know they no kid no person but na as well the chakara the place as well na the see where we say the see with we own crow eye them na so the chakara place for that so for government bilingual high school for Zavion from Buddha. On top that one even moto say for principal they be put small fire from top even as well the moto you know burn all as well na the see for one side even for front wey dem bin don already put fire for motor before last the fire e no be burn all the motor. So e be na the number 3 time wey dis people dem with shaker shoot dem dey enter for that side. So for inside Babaju, oga divisional officer sesep e be dey for city wey don happen, and divisional officer e don talk say after 11 February pass, e go turn back for see the school pikin dem. Sabi say just now school pikin dem say dey fear for turn back for school for go learn after wey people dem shake a shoot dey enter for inside their school, and they don talk say no be na the first time this dem be don attack gendarmerie place for Babaju. Na so too dey attack too even some miscontrol people dem for that side, so for inside the same Babaju. So na the latest one wey pass, and just now school pikin dem dey fear for turn back for school. So for on top this chapter where the worry we country just now, for that side, so for Birmingham, we go enter for day for talk palava this principal too. That principal where they come up for outside motors too. Now principal for some government school for that side, so for Birmingham. Now for West region where some boy then say they become thief, that principal come or go with them. But as we wanna see people they glad. Now as we principal say they don't bring principal. No ask me whether they be pay some money or they no be pay any money. Now principal say he don't come back for can talk say this, so he don't turn back fine. Sabi say na so on top the chapter for Norway and Southwest, so he make they can't teach the principal for that school, so for inside Birmingham. So just now the school picking them they get for so continue for learn their book as a principal he don't turn back after with the TV. So now the small one then that country people them for this afternoon as soon as Sabim make we enter for inside the newspaper way there for outside this afternoon. The guidance post way there for outside this afternoon. It tell we say waiting say they ask na question if true Donald Trump a country he don't cut the help way he began for near them for Cameroon according to the guidance post CNN for Washington. He talk say he did so yes say Donald Trump a country he don't deny for help Cameroon for seeker the plenty were watching them where they disrespect and violate human rights for Northwest and Southwest. But on top the same chapter they tell we say a United States ambassador for Cameroon he don't deny he talks say Kombi with Cameroon and Yaoundé he did very fine. So for inside the same chapter for Northwest Southwest as we will read them for big Queen Elizabeth country talk we know understand their talk way they talk for him that one na talk way Sisiku Ayuk Tabim he talk for one of the people them inside court for military people them yesterday as we he be the talk French. So for the same story they tell we as we Prime Minister Sesep he don't cut money from government official them more than 50% where he don't cut them. So for inside a story for the guidance post you go read one where he concern case for Jean de Dieu Momo waiting there on top the palava we talk for a chapter for Bamileke where he the one check compare with the same way Hitler he do with the Jews people them. So other story them you feel read them on top the guidance post where he did for outside today. Now the tomorrow one then that's for this Friday number 8 day for inside number 2 moon. Sabi say Monday it go be a day with you them they go declare a big day when a youth day for inside Cameroon. So just now all sides na palava for prepare for youth day way it come for Monday. PG News debate it go happen for Saturday 12:30 so take knock for 1:30 we go turn back for some of the main thing the way they pass inside this week. Ma a stranger they were I get na Nji Jespal and even man where they call it Seta for me na them two they go be with me for say make we talk Tori way don't pass. Big thank you for you Cedric Tuna where you be put hand for the Tori way pass today. Thank you to plenty Zephyrin Gonji and even you Malis. Nadine, you yourself if you get hand for doam. Anyhow one beam we go meet up na sote for Saturday for 12:30 on a whole and tight.